correspondents, sir, directors, sir, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Rishita. Today we are celebrating Independence Day, a very special day for our country. On August 15, 1947, become free from British rule. Thank you to the hard work and bravery of our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. This day reminds us of the importance of freedom, and until we honor our national flag, the Tiranga with its colors of saffron, white and green, and the Ashoka Chakra in the center. This symbol reminds us of to be brave, peaceful and grow together. Independence Day is a time to feel proud of our country and remains the sacrifice made for our freedom. Let us celebrate with joy and work to make India a better place for everyone. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.